So, number 15. We have to expand it, right? So, I have natural log, so that's what I'm going to keep. Wow, come on. I'm going to keep it natural log of x. Since it's division, I do what? Subtract natural log of 3y, right? But since there's two things there, I have to split that up. So how do I split up the 3y? Multiplication becomes addition, right? So I've got natural log of x minus natural log, oops, not an h, natural log of 3 plus natural log of y, right? Multiplication becomes addition. Division becomes subtraction when we expand. And then I got to distribute the negative to get rid of the parenthesis. And you don't have, I said we found the actual number, but we're not going to worry about that. If it was natural log of e, we put what? What's the natural log of e do to each other? Cancel, so you could put 1, right? Or log of 10. There's no base in the log. What's the base? 10. So if you have log of 10, that's 1, right? That's stuff you should know. But you don't have to put that in the calc. You can leave it like that. Okay? Questions? Emily, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we ever going to get no solution?
Not for these. Joe?
Is that last one supposed to be minus 1?
Yes, you're correct. I messed up. Thank you. I was said to distribute the negative, and then I forgot to distribute it there.
We all make.
Yep, we do. Okay, so the other one, 21, we're going the other way. I've got 2 logs. I'm going to make it into 1 log. Since it's subtraction, I can write 7 and 10 as a what? A fraction, right? Because a fraction is a division problem, right? So we're going to keep it log base 4. And then we're going to put 7 over 10. That's all. That easy. Okay? So, homework answers. We did 1 through 4. 1 was B, the quotient property. 2 was D, the power property you were using. 3 was A, using power property again. And 4 was C, the product property. And then we did what? 6 to what? 6 to 18 even, right? Now on these, they wanted us to make this, what's this, 4 times 12, so it'd be just add those, because we make it log base 7 to 4 plus log base 7 to 12. But we can do our change of base formula too and get the same thing. The answer for number 6 is 1.989. Number 8 was 2.136. Number 10 was negative 0.565. Any question on those? Okay. 12 was log base 8 of 3 plus log base 8 of x. So just split the 3 and the x into an addition problem. Number 14. Where is it? There it is. Natural log of 3 plus 4 times the natural log of x. 16 is the natural log of 6 plus 2 times the natural log of x minus 4 times the natural log of y. Okay? So this one, you have 6 times x squared. And remember, the exponents you put them out front. Okay? So let's just do this. I'll erase this for you. Let's do that one quick, because I think you guys are still not quite sure here. So when we do this, number 16, all right, the 6 and the times x squared is addition. And then the division we write as subtraction. But what do we do with these exponents then when we're expanding? No. We multiply them by the log, right? We pull it out front. So Caroline, don't go to sleep on me. The 2 comes out front, and the 4 comes out front. Questions? Now for 18, we didn't have one like this yesterday, but I would write this as log base 5 of x squared y to what power? What's cube root? 1/3. Thanks, Nathan. So what's the rule then? What are you supposed to do with those exponents? Multiply them. Somebody said that. Thank you. What's 2 times 1/3? 2/3, right? What's 1 times 1/3?
1/3.
1/3, right? So I can split this up into log base 5 of x to the 2/3 plus log base 5 of y to the 1/3, because that's multiplication. And then what do I do with those exponents? Put them out front, right? So 2/3 times log base 5 of x plus 1/3 times the log base 5 of y. We have just expanded that. Okay? So if you get a cube root or a square root or a fourth root, use the fraction for the exponent. Multiply your exponents and then move your exponents out front. Okay? And your multiplication problems become addition, your fractions, your division problems become subtraction problems. Okay? All right. Then we're at number 22, right? To 36 even. All right. So this one is division, natural log of 12 over the natural log of, well, this one, 12 over 4. But what is 12 divided by 4?
3.
Right. So you should reduce 12 fourths to 3. So it should be natural log of 3 for that one. What do we do with this 2 in front? We put it up here, don't we? And addition becomes multiplication. So it's log of, I would usually put the number in front, but if you put x squared times 11 instead of 11x squared, that's okay. All right. 26, I got to put this as a 6 here and a 4 here, minus makes it natural log of 2 to the 6th over y to the 4th. And 2 to the 6th is what, 64? So you could write it like that. Natural log, sorry, I forgot my natural log. So that fraction, 64 over y to the 4th. Okay? That stuff making sense? All right. Here, I take that 2, be 1/2 squared. Okay? And then this I can do, all this is the same base. So multiplying 4 times 1/2 squared. 4 times 1/2 squared. What's 1/2 squared? 1/4? What's 4 times the fourth? 1, right? And then times x. So I guess when we're all done, it's 1 times x, which is x. Okay? So we're just simplifying when as we're condensing. All right, here you're just putting it in your calculator. Log of 13 over log of 5. Remember, the base stays where?
Bottom.
Bottom, the basement, right? And then you get a decimal, and we're supposed to usually go to 3 decimal places. So let's continue to do that. And number 30 is 1.594. 32 would be log of 22 divided by log of 8, which would be 1.486. 34 is log of 28 divided by log of 2. Again, just put this in our calculator, and that's 4.807. And for 36, it's log of 9/40, so you just put that in there like that. Make sure you close it off, and then divide it by log of 3. Just put it in like a fraction like that. You get negative 1.358. Okay? Questions? Simple, right? You guys can do it, no problem. All right. So today, let's just do a couple real quick. Thanks, Brooke. This one, Emily. What's this go to? I got 2 things. Division? You don't know? You said it's easy. You got this. He lies to me. Yeah, just subtraction. 4 minus 5. Thanks, Haley, for helping her. Okay? Yeah, just oh, it said evaluated. Sorry. Right. But that's how we have to do it, right? So I'd have to go that minus this. But what else can we do now? We really don't have to do this anymore. What can we do? Log of what? Michael, log of what? I know.
No.
Start paying attention. Divided by what, Robbie?
3.
Yeah, you guys are helping him out. Good job. You knew that, didn't you? You knew it yesterday at least. Okay? Just put that in your calculator. Well, that's another evaluate one. Those are all evaluates. We got this. Expand. All right, natural log of 3x to the 5th. What? Minus natural log of y, right? This is multiplication, so what can I do with those? Add them. But I'm not done. Why? That exponent. Where do I put it? Out front.
Why'd you put 3 there instead of 5?
It should have been a 5. I just see if you guys were paying attention. You guys were. Good job. Good?
You're not done.
All right. Condense it. Where does this 4 go? There. What do I do with these 2?
Damn.
Multiply. So it's log of 6 times 3 to the 4th. This means what? Divided by 3, right? Whatever that is.
I thought the last one you could solve the L and 3.
We could put it in your calculator, but I'm not going to worry about it. Only thing I would do is if you had an LNE, that's 1. If you have log 10, that's 1, right? And you guys should all know this. Log of 1 is always what? 0. Yeah, whenever there's a 1 there, that's a 0. All right. Hey, good job today. Here's your assignment.
What?
Did I stutter? Here is your homework.
Homework?
I said that tomorrow. You said, what are we doing tomorrow? Isn't that what you asked me? Okay. And I said, there's no homework tomorrow. Okay. She called me a liar, Michael. Can you believe that?
He said that's not my
It's
fault.
your fault you weren't paying attention. Am I right? Okay.
That's actually Thank you.
You're welcome.
We have like 10 minutes.
Did you do that?
So I wrote one of them last night because I had like 20 different papers due, but I'm gonna do snake.
She needs to. Huh?
Oh, no.
Everybody get one?
What?
Dude, I actually,
Yeah.
I just thought if I
You
saved
only got a minute, yeah. That's why I did.
I'd have a whole.
That was good though.
Dude, like I'm about, like
Right,
I
for
just
guys to
talked
be in
a while
short
ago. I
periods.
just said a while ago.
Why you gotta hurry up?
Literally about 2 years.
Huh?
Oh my god. Oh my god.